Thank you all for joining. Hopefully you had a beautiful week and weekend. As usual, we'll start with our with the DXY view. Still nothing changed on DXY. We're in consolidation as indicated last week. On the contrary, we created an equal low, an inner low around these areas. So potentially, most likely, I'll be looking for something like this towards these lows. Unless if we close above, then this would indicate more up to come. But for the time being, we are ranging in this range. So most likely something like this, come back down, and then continue back up if it needs to continue. GU, looking to take out these lows, maybe these lows, and then move back up. But this is a valid sell towards here and here. Euro USD, same concept, looking to take out the lows if it needs to continue a push to the upside. USD CAD, targeting these lows, so any potential something like this or even something like this one, which is better opportunity to take the low. Aussie, still more to come to the upside, so any potential buy setup to take. Commodities, looking for more up to come. We're still in an uptrend, so nothing changed. Even though we had this move, this can very be simply a three-wave move, and looking for something like this, or it can do the same concept as the DXY. Same thing, consolidate in this area. So same thing, consolidate in this area for a while. The market already priced in most of the news and events and everything, so it's just either you are on the boat or you missed it. As a swing trader, as a day trader, there's always an opportunity to trade on daily basis. Just gotta understand what kind of trader you are. Silver, the same concept. This can do that and come back down, then consolidate back again here, but the trend is still like this for the swing traders. Oil, still the trend to the upside. This is a potential buy, unless we come back and break this area. If we break this area, this is not anymore a buy setup. This we might have a correction towards these areas, or maybe take out this low. We'll update in the middle of the week in our Discord. Crypto, still looking towards these highs, 46, 47 area. Nothing, even if we have something like this, similar to this. Continuation of the up move, same as the indices. ETH going as planned, still more room to come. This can move up more, but still we're looking for something like this. Is there a potential for this? Yes, but it did not start, so we'll let the market do its thing. XRP, same thing. You know how XRP moves, all of a sudden consolidates and boom, consolidates and boom, or consolidates and boom. So yeah, still looking, everything looking to the upside. Why not? Dot still moving. Yeah, it's created this this equal highs here, so potentially something like this for continuation. Indices still to the upside on the daily. We're still looking for an up move. On S&P 500, we are in an area on the high time frame where we expected to revisit, but the way it's forming in these ones, it's looking more for the upside, unless for some kind of sudden move to the downside. This would be something like this, and we'll continue the down move. But for the time being, I've been trading longs this whole week. I traded this short and one more short around these areas on lower time frames. I forgot, I traded 2 shorts, but the rest of my trades were basically longs, long in between London and New York sessions. S&P 500, same thing, that's what I was talking about. The 4-day, we are in that area. So let's watch it, let's see how this week, but the way these waves have formed, this is looking for something like this, continuation of the up move. Let's see, let the market decide for us. Keep in mind I'm a day trader, guys, so I don't hold. I day trade between sessions. Big difference. So yeah, have my own setup and I teach that setup. Very simple. And make your money, get out. Don't bother to think what's next, what's happening, why is it happening, why this, why that. Just go in, trade the setup, get out. Consistency is your key. NAS, same thing. If everything is trending up, beautiful trade though. On Friday was a beautiful trade, on Thursday was a beautiful trade to the upside. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hopefully most of you that trade the indices got these. Beautiful trades, even this one. In between sessions, I'm gonna start explaining how it is, but we're still looking for same thing, rinse, repeat. To the upside until we break some kind of structure or we create some kind of liquidity on the downside. It's all driven by liquidity, right? Euro NZD down move. There's a potential this to come back up here, yes, but for the time being, that's the direction. GA, the same concept. I think I gave a signal around here to sell last Sunday. It did. I was expecting it to retest this area, but it did not. It broke this. There was a sell, I think on Sunday or Wednesday, I forgot, but when I updated on this one, there was a signal to sell this. So still down to go. Let's look at higher time frame. Exactly towards these areas, and why not lower? So basically the best trades to be in is the Aussie from the Forex side. Indices looking for buys, crypto looking for buys, and majors they're consolidating in a way beside the Aussie and the CAD. So commodity currencies are the strongest in a way. The indices are strong, and the crypto buy setups are playing amazingly until something change in the market and the sentiment. For the time being, that's my view. That's what I would be looking for. Potentially maybe on Wednesday or Thursday, middle of the week, end of the month, something happen, trigger something, the sentiment change. We'll update in our mid of the week, but for the time being, that's my views. That's what I would be looking for to trade. Trade safe and have a beautiful week.